Gott erhalte Franz den Kaiser, unseren guten Kaiser Franz.
Guten Tag, Internet, and welcome back to Cooking with Lars, where today we will be making Chelsea buns. Now, Chelsea buns is a type of British sweet roll. It is raisins and sultanas rolled in a yeast dough. I don't need to do explaining because you've probably already seen it in the thumbnail. So here we have 75 grams of sugar mixed with 500 grams of wheat meal. It's not called wheat meal, is it? It's called bread flour. Bread flour, white bread flour. The brown one, it doesn't taste very nice. To this we will also add 50 grams of butter, preferably unsalted, otherwise you might get a slow rise, and 225 mils of warm milk. So this is yeast and milk. We will also add 1 egg. I know, I don't know how to crack an egg with one hand, also trustworthy cooks do. We will be kneading this for 10 minutes. As you can see, the dough is coming together very nicely in the dough hook. My dough has been rising for about 1 hour, and as you can see, it has doubled in size. Now what I must do is put it on a silicone mat and roll it out. First we have to fold it. Fold it and roll it. I will roll this to about the size of the silicone mat, and then we will do the next step. Now that the dough is as greasy as Otto von Habsburg's hair, so we'll sprinkle some brown sugar. I will do this, and then I will sprinkle 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Now that you have evenly spread out the mixed spice and the sugar, it is time to put raisins, walnuts, and candied ginger that kick. Now you want to roll up the oblong like a strudel. Now cut the tube into individual rolls. After it has risen in the oven, brush it with milk. Sprinkle the wet buns with sugar. So this is how the Chelsea buns turned out in the very end. They are lovely, the caramelization on the top from the sugar sprinkles, and most importantly, the bread, the dough is pillowy soft. Hier, Scheiße!